Course Curriculum Overview. In this lecture, I will walk you through the complete structure of this course. This program is designed to simulate a real-world IT audit lifecycle, from planning to reporting, so that you gain practical, on-the-job understanding. Section 1, Introduction to IT Audit. We begin with the fundamentals, understanding what IT audit is, the different types of audits, and the role of an IT auditor within an organization. Section 2, Planning for the year. In this section, we move to audit planning at an organizational level. You will learn how annual audit plans are created, how audit charters are defined, and how resources are allocated. Section 3, Planning for individual audits. This section focuses on planning individual audits. You will learn how to define scope, send audit announcements, draft planning memos, and prepare information requests. Section 4, Fieldwork. This is the core of the audit. You will learn how to perform fieldwork, test controls, collect evidence, and document your work in structured working papers. Section 5.2, Reporting. In this section, you will learn how to communicate audit results effectively, from closing meetings to final reports and presenting to the Audit and Risk Committee. This course is not theory-based. It is designed around real audit documents, real scenarios, and practical execution, exactly how audits are performed in the industry. By the end of this course, you will be able to understand and execute an IT audit lifecycle with confidence,